All right, so this customer came in. He was complaining of a grinding noise when turning and stuff. And I thought it was the backing plate, but apparently the clips are not put in right with the brake pads. They use the wrong clips, or they're not centered correctly. And I wanted to show you this because it's pretty interesting. See how on this side the clip is like aligned with the caliper, but on the other side, if you look, the clip is pushed out, and this is towards the rotor. And up top, you got the right clip, it's centered properly, there's nothing sticking out, but down here, this is what's touching the rotor and making that noise. So be careful with the clips in your brake pads and how you install them and which ones you're installing. Sometimes they come with multiple clips, and apparently either this is not centered correctly or someone just put the wrong clip in. But that's the problem. That's what's causing the noise. Just so you know, these are the clips I'm talking about right here. Any questions or comments, guys, leave in the box below. I love showing you the stuff that's very unique. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Take care.